Hey YouTube, it's your girl Charleve back at it again with another video, this time all about my curly hair routine featuring none other than the amazing, affordable, smells bomb Aussie. Okay, so I felt like I should make a curly hair routine because, well, I have curly hair and I spend majority of my time here on YouTube searching for curly hair routines to find the perfect thing for me because, let's be honest, most of us are product junkies and we can't really find something that actually works for us. But I've come across a few products lately that have worked for me and a few brand lines. But today we're going to focus on Aussie because it's quarantine time. Nobody has the money to be shelling out major coins on certain brands. There's tried and true and that's amazing, but I want to focus on this affordable one for everybody because your girl's on a budget. I'm sure most of you are, and we want to go ahead and keep it real. Okay? So before we get any further, if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Stop right now, click my subscribe button, click the like video, and if you want to see a tutorial on how to do this makeup look, comment down below and let me know. Okay, now that we got past the logistics, let's talk my hair. All right, so I've already shampooed and conditioned with the Aussie Miracle Moist. This is backwards on the phone, sorry guys. It's the Miracle Moist. It says it has avocado, Australian jojoba oil, and it's paraben free. This does have sulfates, and I will say that sulfates are not bad in moderation. While they may be stripping sometimes, that's why you use it in moderation. I co-wash normally with the As I Am coconut co-wash like 3 weeks out of the month. Once a month I use a sulfate based shampoo. Then I get over to, and I deep conditioned with the 3-Minute Miracle Moist, which, oh my gosh, you guys, smells so good. It smells like candy and like happiness. I don't know how to describe it, but it just smells so good. It's like a nostalgic smell because this has been around for a minute, and yeah. I got the big one because, most of us, you have a lot of hair, or curly girls, we use a lot of products. So this, shout out to them for actually making a really big one with the pump. Okay. This also has the avocado and Australian jojoba oil in it. It is paraben free, and yes, it does. Most of the line has what are these called? I'm drawing a blank, guys. I don't know. Silicones. They all have silicones, typically mostly everything in the line, and silicones are not bad. If you do your research about silicones, you want to make sure it's a water soluble silicone, as well as it keeps the moisture in. So that's why it's in a lot of conditioners, because whatever, your hair is hydrated when you wash it, right? There's water in there. Silicones are going to go over top and seal that moisture in. It is true, some of them do not allow water out or to come in after it's on. However, if you have a water soluble one and you're using a water soluble product, you're fine. It washes out. Okay, so let's move on to exactly what I did. Like I said, I've already shampooed and conditioned. My hair is up in my boyfriend's t-shirt. Let's go ahead and take it down, and it's gonna look a little crazy because, yeah, I am going to, ooh, Lord, so hold on, I transitioned my hair. It was down to here. I kept cutting and cutting and cutting. I did used to Texlax my hair. Right now, while you're looking at it, you're gonna be like, why would you do something like that? Trust me, my hair is curlier than it looks. It's just been stretched in this day. What I'm going to do first is spray the hair insurance leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. I could do it this way, but your girl is smart. I put a little bit in here so that I can make this video a little quicker, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this all in here, just to wet my hair, so that I like to put products on very wet, not necessarily soaking or dripping depending on what I'm using, hair, okay? And so I like to use, with this particular brand, the actual leave-in, I like to use this smells so good too. I like to use a little bit of the 3-Minute Miracle Moist in my hair as a leave-in, because I didn't really like the frizz defining cream that they have. It's very heavy and it's very greasy, and I don't like that. Okay, so I'm gonna just put my hair up and I separate it. I'm gonna use clips. If you don't have clips and you have curly hair, you don't know what you're doing, get you some clips. They're from the Beauty Supply store. I believe Amazon has it as well. I only do my hair in like 3 or 4 sections, so I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm gonna put in the Sprunch and leave-in conditioner mousse. So it's a mousse and it has leave-in conditioner built in, which is why I don't really go too heavy with theirs. And I'm also going to use the Aussie Miracle Curls cream pudding. If you guys hear noise, my dog Spice just came into the room. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna take a little bit and apply it into my hair. Okay. And then I'm going to go in with the Scrunch Mousse and Leave-In Conditioner. Now this is my easy, super quick curl routine video. This is for like people when we're on the go. Sorry, I've been interrupted for the 15th time. Anybody else make videos and your boyfriend or whoever else come through and always interrupt you? Yeah. Anyway, like I was doing, I put a little bit of mousse. I put about this much per section. This mousse is amazing. It really feels like setting lotion. It has a nice slip to it. Put that in there. And I'm going to take down this. And I'm going to go through and section off my midsection. And do the same thing. So again, we're going to put the Miracle Curls cream pudding about this much throughout the whole section. And then I'm going to do some of the mousse as well. Same thing for the top. Then now I'm just going to go ahead and comb through with my brush that I can't find, my Denman brush. I don't know where it's at, but I have my comb here. I'm going to comb everything through. If I couldn't find my Denman brush, I would use that normally, but I don't know what I did with it, so I found it. I like this because it works to smooth the cuticle and make sure everything is completely smooth. I love, love, love it. My hair back in the back, and I'll show you guys on the video, is a lot curlier than my hair in the front. And now with that same towel or t-shirt, my boyfriend's t-shirt that I had, I'm just going to go ahead and start scrunching my hair. Now I do have some heat damage in the front. That's like the most sensitive part of my hair that you know, I'm trying to grow out. I cut little by little. That's why it seems like my hair doesn't grow, but it does. It just gets curlier. And I like to just put my head over. Can you see? Okay, so now I like to just kind of let it air dry, or I will sit under a hooded dryer, which for the sake of this video, I'm probably going to do that right now. And then I'm going to come back and show you the finish. Okay, you guys, I'm back from sitting under the dryer, and these are my results. So I forgot to mention this is going to be a review because I've actually never used all of these together. This is my first time, so I'm going to give you my honest feedback. First thing that I did notice is that there was a definite strong curl cast. That's probably why they recommend using the Frizz cream, because it does have a little bit more moisture. But these products are pretty heavy. The curl cream pudding thing, it's pretty heavy. It's like Gorilla Glue, you know, if you guys know what that is, like the snot. It's a hair gel. It's not really snot, you guys. It's similar to that, so it's pretty heavy. And this was the lightest thing. I feel like it's a little too heavy for my hair, because normally, I mean, like I'm normally like 3B, even some 3C in the back. Like the back is normally super coily, and it's not. So yeah, I definitely noticed that. If you're looking for some stretch, you know, that's what's up. This will work. But if you guys can see, like, this part of my hair, like, my hair is normally coilier, like the bottom piece. It's not like that. So this is giving me more of a wavy kind of thing, I guess, because it's too heavy. I mean, it's cute. I don't mind it, but this is not normally my true curl pattern. So it's great if you're not trying to get any shrinkage. This will be cool if you have more of a like a 3C and up hair type. It'd probably be better if you're not looking for any shrinkage, because I got some shrinkage, but not a lot. I also didn't put the product on my roots. I just kind of raked it in. That's why it's like a super fast wash and go. Outside of that, weighing my hair down, it's not really shiny. There's really no shine to my hair. It's kind of it's just there, you know. It's not ugly, and it's not like amazing, but it's just, you know, super quick, easy wash and go. I would still wear my hair like this if I was going somewhere. Like, I don't feel like it's a super letdown. Scale of 1 to 10, I'd probably give these all together probably like a like a 6.5 because it's not bad, but it's just not the best. Like when I've used other products, like the Mael or the Camille Rose, even Resource curls, which we'll get into that in another video, and the can too. My hair comes out a little bit more defined. You can really see my ringlets. Right now, you really can't. It looks like I have like 2C hair, which is fine. You know, that's fine. I don't mind it. So, yeah, if you're definitely looking for something that will minimize shrinkage, I would definitely probably give these a try. And that's probably, like I said, why they have the frizz curl. But I probably next time will skip using the cream pudding and just use this. I'll probably have a little bit more benefits with this and the Miracle Moist. I'll probably have a little bit more curl definition. It'll look a little bit more curly instead of wavy than, you know, than it is now. But I do not mind it. It smells great. I would just need something for shine, like a separate oil serum or something like that. They do make a serum or an oil. It's more of a like a dimethicone based serum to put on, but I couldn't find that in the store. So whatever. Yeah, so this isn't bad. Oh, shout out to my cup. Isn't my cup cute? I got it from Target, y'all. I'll link it down below if you like it. But yeah, so that's just how I feel about the products. Definitely not bad. Probably will use something else and we'll figure out together what products work best for my hair. So if you're into any of these reviews, stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see a tutorial for this everyday kind of like glowy makeup look. And I'll see you next time. Bye, my loves.